Hey everybody, oh my gosh. Okay, so let's talk business page and why you want to create your party groups from your business page. There are some really important features that I don't know or think some of you guys might not understand yet about why we are encouraging you to create your party groups through your business page. Well, number one, Facebook and Pampered Chef talk, and that is the preferred way for us to host our parties, okay? We run a business, and so you want to use the business platform that Facebook provides in order to create the best results. But what I find is a lot of times when we're doing Facebook parties, we miss out on a couple different things. So maybe we don't use a notebook and track, who our potential, bookings are, who our potential recruit leads are, who people we need to follow back with in a couple months. So did you know that Facebook has a built-in little tracking system for you? All right, so let's explore that. Okay, so you're always going to see in your parties that you're going to have notifications here from your party. So when people like or comment or, do all those things, that's going to pop up here for you. The inbox is one of the most important features and one of the reasons why I absolutely love using Facebook business pages for your parties. Okay, so let me show you a couple shortcuts. So Heather here, Heather was someone I was talking with, and right now is not a good time for her to host a party. But she's in the future probably wants to host a party with me, but she'll contact me. Okay. So of course, yeah, she's going to contact me, but I'm also going to follow up with her, just to make sure. So people like that, you want to find a system or a way to follow back up with them. So you see this little star right here? We're going to star her, and that puts her item marked as follow-up. Okay. But watch this. On the right-hand side over here, you have a couple of different things that you can do. And maybe you didn't realize that these were over here. Over here, there's a place where it says labels. If you click manage labels, okay, it's going to open up another screen for you. And what you can do is actually create labels that you can then assign to people so that you can follow up with them. So someone that maybe wanted to, me to check back and book a January show, I made a label that says January. No, not now. I made a label that says no, not now. Those no, never people. There's a never one. Maybe somebody that I was having a conversation with recruiting. I created a label for that. I have a potential host, and then follow up is just one that comes in on the normal label screen right here. You can color code them if you want. Like I could change not now to green or whatever. We're going to leave that one gray. Okay, so once you've created your labels, okay, so simply if I wanted to create a label, let's see, what would I do? What label do I want to do? Well, let's do customer service, okay? So you type in the heading that you want and you click add label. It's going to make a little label down here for you. So now I have one that says customer service. So once you've created labels, now you're going to assign a label to this particular person so that it marks her. So we're going to do follow up. And because it's already in there and I've already created it, you'll see that it popped up right here. And now I've assigned follow up to her. Okay. So let's keep going down my list. Cassie Marie, I'm just going to follow up with her for customer service. Poor thing. She just had a horrible life experience. And so over here, I'm just going to mark her customer service. Okay. All right, Darby, she is booking a January show with me. So you guys see I already assigned a label to January for her. So in December when I'm starting to book my January shows, I'll show you in a second how you follow up. So Caitlin, she was a potential recruit. Not right now, kind of on the fence. So we're going to list her as potential recruit. Susan, she was just a customer. I was helping her with her order. So we're going to label her customer service. Okay. So make a note for yourself on your calendar of when you want to do customer service. What day do you just want to send messages out to people to say, hey, just want to check and see how your products were? But guys, this is the most important thing over here. All right, so let's pretend it's it's December, and I'm starting to book January shows, okay? So if you come up to this little search bar right here, okay, and I type in January in my little label is going to pop up. And when I click this, guess what? That person that I marked for January booking pops up here. Okay, you guys see what I'm talking about? So you can label these people. Here, let me show you again. Let's look for our potential recruit. Okay, so we're going to click this. We're going to do potential. See, recruit or host come up. So let's do recruit. And look, here's Caitlin right here that I can follow right back up with her. Okay, and it's going to bring her right back to me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tip. I think it's one that you will appreciate, especially going forward as you're doing your shows, to really help you keep track of all those people that you need to keep track of. Bye, guys.